Can you believe September's already here? This is Stashbuster September. This is a look at what I'll be using in my first journal for September. Hi everybody, it's Julie and welcome to Stashbuster September. So Stashbuster September, and I am going to be working with this set of items that I found in my mom's stash. So these were the focal point, the main key items that I had. Then I'm going to be using the papers. You'll see that these go along pretty well with this. These were from the same paper pad that I had used in my second August Altered Junk Journal Challenge journal. So I have these papers. I do have the cut apart and I have the leftover cut aparts. So this is what I have left from that paper pad, and I'll be using that in another project this month, hopefully making it go away. So I have some other papers that I'm going to be using, some cardstock, some regular paper, and this. So all from my stash. I have this notepad from Office Depot. I have this notepad that I've never gotten to use. Then I found an envelope, some cards, some of the tags that I had picked up at Ben Franklin. This was in my mom's stash, as was this. And then look at these flowers, and they go really well too. So all of those items. And then I do have a few more up here. I have this set of napkin, or this napkin. There's two of them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this or not, but I have this right here. It's a Susan branch. It was in my mom's stuff. Oh, we have another goldfinch. I have this paper pad I might be able to use, and some stickers, some paint chips, a Memory Dex card, a Division card, and this mini album project stack. So I might be able to use some of those pages, and some tickets and this. So I'm going to be taking that with me to the hospital today and working on it, and so that I have something to show you. So that is my Stashbuster kit. I think it's easier to work from a kit than when I can, and rather than sitting and going, oh, should I use this? Should I use this? Well, this is what I have, and I am loading it up into a tray, and so that is what I'm going to be using. So what will you be using in your September Stashbuster to make a junk journal? And so show us in the comments below what it is that you're going to be using, and find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you join us in the September Stashbuster Junk Journal Challenge in the Facebook group of the same name. I think this is going to be really fun. Have a great day. Bye.